you guys, welcome back to Poor Man's Speed Shop. So, quick little thing. I've actually got parts for this ready to go. So, as you guys can see, the floor has been coated. Never mind, it's just dust on that side. I haven't done this yet, and here's why. This has to be patched. Those two holes there and there have to be patched. And in order for me to patch them, I want to hit this floor and sand it and see how good it is and how rough it is. And now determine if I just replace this whole pan or if I make patch panels for that. The dumbasses, okay, I'll bring you guys up to speed. You guys probably remember this. I said this car was a 3-speed with a 6-cylinder. 3-speed manual, 6-cylinder. It was originally a 3 on the tree. That hole is from some dumbass not knowing what the fuck they were doing back in the 60s or 70s. And cutting that giant torch cutting. They didn't just cut it, they torch cut that out. Which prior to the time, that's probably all they had. But the dumbasses cut into the torsion bar crossmember right here on just the lip. Right here. So I have to fix that. And instead of just leaving it a 3-speed on the column, they put it to the floor, which I guess is fine. But with a bench seat like that this car has originally, the shifter didn't even go all the way up to where you had to lean over to the seat and then shift, which just made it awful. So yeah, if you're gonna make your car a 4-speed, at least do it right and don't cut into the crossmember. But that's not really today's video. Today's video though is about parts. You guys seen I got paint. I've also got brand new motor mounts for both sides. The pucks, the rubber pucks. Brand new calipers. Brand new, well, new to me backing plates. Brand new battery tray box from AMD. And the piece de resistance. The brand new Goodmark floor pan. This is a patch panel. Well, this patch panel, I almost flip you guys around real quick. This patch panel is actually really neat because it comes with the lip. Comes with the back piece. I mean, really good panel because the previous patch panels that I've ever ordered didn't come with the lip. They didn't come with near as much material, so this is a score. And as you guys can see, that's going to change the whole look of this side of the car. Because here's the before. Here's an after. There's the part number.
So you guys can say whatever you want.
As you guys can see, it is test fitted. I think Dad's got to cut out some more of the tunnel up there, or back here, and then weld it in. Then weld up those slices there that came with that came on the fan from factory, and then it's done. Don't even mess with that over there. So stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys. I need a quick little end to this video of putting that floor pan over there in. Where you guys last seen, Dad had patched the hole, which you guys can't even tell was there, I don't think, where the shifter was. It's patched. This pan is cut out and ready for this to be installed in its place. Now, the reason why I went with this pan, another one of these Goodmark front patch pans, well, front toe area pan, is because this floor pan was so pitted and rough that really the minute you tried to patch it, it would just blow it away and just blew big chunks away, and it just wouldn't have been worth time trying to mess with it. So $172 for the pan, my time cutting and putting it in. This has been same thing I used on that set over there and for the inside of the frame rails. This stuff seems to work really good. I don't know if you guys can see on the ground right there. That's all the chunks of the floor and some red clay dirt from our red sand. But I really need to get this video out to you guys. I'm not going to do a video on putting this pan in. Same process. Next video you guys will see is us starting the engine and getting it in this. This tape is just for the welding seal. It's starting to rain here, so I'm going back in. And that's it, you guys. Hang on, you guys. As always, you guys, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you guys next time here on Poor Man Speak Shop. Have a good one.